Hello everyone. Welcome to the Item Aging Dashboard, a Power BI solution designed to provide complete visibility into inventory aging, stock valuation, and inventory distribution across aging buckets. This dashboard helps inventory managers, supply chain teams, warehouse supervisors, and finance stakeholders quickly identify how long inventory has remained in stock and understand its associated value. By highlighting aging inventory, organizations can improve inventory turnover, reduce carrying costs, and make better replenishment and liquidation decisions. The dashboard is built using Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations data and leverages inventory transaction and inventory on-hand information to calculate aging quantities and values. At the top of the dashboard, users can filter data using multiple filters including warehouse, company, item group, item number, site, and as of date. The as of date parameter is particularly important because it enables users to analyze inventory aging as of a specific point in time, providing a historical view of inventory positions. On the left side, we have key performance indicators. The first KPI displays the total on-hand quantity. The second KPI shows the total on-hand value, representing the financial value of inventory currently available in stock. Below these KPIs, inventory is categorized into different aging buckets. For each bucket, the dashboard displays both the inventory quantity and inventory value, allowing users to quickly identify slow-moving or obsolete inventory. In the center section, two donut charts provide a visual breakdown of inventory distribution. The first chart shows inventory on-hand quantity by aging bucket. The second chart displays inventory on-hand amount by aging bucket. From these visualizations, users can immediately understand which aging category holds the largest share of inventory quantity and value. The detailed transaction grid at the bottom provides item-level visibility. This detailed view enables users to drill down from summary metrics into specific inventory transactions contributing to the aging analysis. In summary, the Item Aging Dashboard delivers a comprehensive view of inventory quantity, value, and aging distribution, enabling organizations to proactively manage stock levels, reduce excess inventory, and improve overall inventory performance. Thank you for watching.